If you or your spouse needs nursing home or home health care Medicaid, you might be surprised to learn you are in a very good position to protect your assets and still qualify for Medicaid. This program is one example of a government-created policy that is good for society. Just think about it. 70% of us will need some type of nursing care before we die. It would be terrible public policy if all of us were forced to be impoverished in order to get that health care. So most of my senior clients have managed to save for their retirement through great sacrifice and hard work. Most have paid into the Medicare, Medicaid system for 50 years or more and have never once asked for government assistance. Their spouses come to my office quite skeptical at first, telling me that they could never qualify for Medicaid, even as they are watching their life savings disappear at a rate of $6,000 to $10,000 per month. They leave my office surprised and hopeful, and that's the most important thing to keep in mind. There is hope. The type of Medicaid that pays for nursing homes and home health care is not a welfare program. It's a working class, middle class benefit my clients have spent a lifetime paying into. Again, they've never asked for any type of help. It's a benefit owed to you if you do two things. First, don't believe the state of Texas if they tell you initially that you don't qualify. And two, talk to a qualified elder law attorney about your Medicaid. The first good news for the healthy spouse is that you get to keep the first $3,000 of monthly income, no matter whose income it is. If there's more than $3,000 per month coming into the community, then that overage must be paid to the nursing home. So the spouse at home gets to keep the first $3,000 per month of income, then the rest goes straight to the nursing home. Most of my clients' income don't even exceed $3,000. So the reality is the spouse at home gets to keep all of the income for both spouses each month. So also if you're married, the law says you can keep up to almost $120,000 cash in the bank and still qualify. Again, we don't want to impoverish those healthy spouses living in the community and force them to go on food stamps. Again, that would just create more bureaucratic burden and overall hurt the system. So once your spouse qualifies for Medicaid, you have 1 year to get that spouse's name off of all of your assets, including your family home and car. The only transfers that are allowed in Medicaid are transfers between spouses. In essence, this first year of Medicaid benefits acts like a financial divorce. After the first year, the assets of the healthy spouse are never again counted against the spouse in the nursing home. If you have a spouse who is ill, spend some time with a knowledgeable elder law attorney. It's such a comfort to know there are options when facing these catastrophic illnesses and the loss of your entire life savings. I'm elder law attorney Stephanie Townsend Allala.